Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nail Art. Today I am teaching the red French nail tips. You can hardly find a woman who doesn't like classic red nail, but what about making your manicure with this color more exciting and unusual? If you like experimenting with nail design, you should consider French tips with wine, red or cherry shades. This new French manicure design will gather hundreds of compliments since it's classic but unique. Pick a nice base color and draw red French tips, which will add incense bright accent to your look. Choose your best nail art right now and enjoy numerous admiring glances from other ladies. Next, we talk about brown French nail. Brown is not the most common color for manicurists, especially for a French designer. However, light brown French tip nails look extra vegan and unusual. If you prefer wearing different shades, a big such a manicure can be a great accent to your image. Create your own French manicure with the noblest color. Next, we talk. It also possible to make a color mix to make your nails unique. For instance, apply brown to white tips, creating an impressive combination of a style color. Keep in mind that you should better choose a biggie or milky mains shade since a light pink base color is not the best option. Next, we talk about blue French tip nails. The blue color is always in trend, suiting any nail color, length, and shape. A French tip design in different shades of blue looks fresh and bright, exciting your hands. For instance, you can pick a milky color base and add a royal blue nail polish on tips, creating fantastic combination of trendy shades. Next, we blue nail tips are always great idea for ladies who prefer wearing denim cloths such as manicure will perfectly suit your style. Choose the proper shade of your sky blue nails during your next nail appointment and get an excellent result. Colored French manicure. Modern nail trends are perfect for those feeling difficulties when selecting a color. Making a multicolor manicure is a trendy option for bright personalities, allowing you to apply numerous shades on your nails and attract tons of attention. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.